Okay, thank you again. In this segment, we're going to talk about what packages are available for DranXperT. Primarily, DranXperT is available in pre-configured packages that include CTs. You now have available your choice of flexible CTs, as you can see in this image over here with the three flex CTs, the orange CTs here, as well as hinged and clip-on CTs, as you can see here. And the real difference is in your application, what you require. The CT packages with flex CTs are more flexible, pun intended here, not only in their application because they have a wider range of measurements, but also, as most of you know who have used flex CTs in the past, you open them up at these disconnects over here and then wrap them around your conductors, whether that be a bus or a wire. And basically, they're very flexible and bendable and can get into tight spaces. You can even wrap them around multiple times for low current applications to double, and if you have the space or the length, even triple them up to boost them up so they're measurable. So hinge CTs, the advantage of hinge CTs is you purchase a CT specifically for your application, but the benefit is usually lower cost on these things. They're less expensive than the flex CTs. So we try to make it easy for you to choose the right package. If you have custom applications, you can certainly contact us. And all of these CTs are available a la carte. So as an example, if you choose a DranXperT with the 3000 amp 16-inch flex CTs, you can buy any one of these other CTs, flex or clip-on CTs or hinge CTs a la carte and buy them individually to serve multiple applications. So most users start with a kit and then add the CTs and other accessories as they go along, okay? The one thing you do need to specify, and in the US, we configure our kits in a particular way to include the US cord, and that's, you'll find our part numbers. It'll be this part number -XX, and that XX means your country code or your line cord code. In the US, you'll see all of them already have a -US associated with it, but for our friends who are joining us from other countries, you would apply in EU, UK, Australia, AU, or a US cord if that is the preferred plug for you. So you can see here's the power supply that I'm circling here, and there'll be a line cord that comes off of here, and that's what I'm referring to. So when you speak to our international partners, they will help you choose the appropriate line cord. So again, you would order this exact part number -US or EU or UK or AU, okay? But each package includes DranXperT, 3 CTs, voltage cables, the clips and the banana jacks, as you can see here, a carry case, and DranView XP software, which again is available for download from our website. So just to show you the CTs individually, here are the flex CTs, which again are available with the kits or optionally available. Again, available in 3 lengths, 16-inch, 24-inch, or 36-inch. And what I mean by length is when this is the circumference that we're talking about. So if you disconnect this here and open it up so it's straight, it would be 16, 24, or 36 inches. Each is available in 3 different current ranges, a 500 amp range, 1500 amp range, or 3000 amp range. It's important to note that DranXperT is not compatible with CTs from other DranXperT products. An example, HDPQ CTs are not compatible with DranXperT, and vice versa. Our HDPQ CTs are not compatible with DranXperT. So the clip-on CT or the hinge CTs are fully compatible with DranXperT, but again, not compatible with other DranXperT products. So you can see it's available in 5 different current sizes: 5 amps, 20 amps, 50 amps, 100 amps, and 600 amps. And you can see the size changes a little bit. The smaller size is for the first 3, a 4/10 of an inch window for the 5 amp, 20 amp, and 50 amp package or CT. The 100 amp has a 1-inch window, and the 600 amp CT is a little over 1.3 or almost 1.4-inch window. And by that, I'm talking about the opening size here. Okay, so again, this is a lower cost alternative to the flex CTs if you choose to use them.